If you're anything like me, you probably worry about microplastics, cross-contamination, or cutting boards that just simply don't feel clean over time, which is why this cutting board really caught my eye. It feels like a cleaner, safer option that takes some of that worry out of daily food prep. This cutting board is made from pure titanium and it has a completely flat surface with no step edge. So it sits evenly on the counter and feels stable while you're using it. It's designed to be dual-sided, which makes it easy to separate different types of food and helps reduce cross-contamination when you're prepping meals. When you're cutting on it, the surface feels smooth and solid, and it's gentle on knives, so it works well for everyday chopping, slicing, and prep. There's also a juice groove around the edge, which helps catch liquids and keep your countertops cleaner when you're cutting fruits, vegetables, or meat. Plus, cleaning it is really simple. You can rinse it off with water, wipe it down, or put it in the dishwasher, and it doesn't hold on to stains or odors the way some boards do. It feels sturdy and well made. It's easily something that you can pull out and use every day and not really have to worry about too much wear and tear. So if you're looking for a cutting board that's durable, easy to clean, and designed with food safety in mind, this titanium board is a solid option for everyday kitchen use.